This? Let's go home. Oh, some basketballs. Cassettes. Ooh. Cummins, Blue. Genesis. PC games. Civilization. Oh, that's interesting. Two of them. 7-4, that's awesome. That's awesome stuff. 2 of those too. Look at that again. How much are your PC games? Okay. It's okay. All right, I'll look at it in a second. How much are your shoes? Do you know if you have any size 11 in here? No? Okay. Okay. How much is your Harley Davidson helmet?
So I have what they're asking, but you welcome to, I can text them and then, they are doing that on 60.
Those other two? Okay. Okay. How much are your Hot Wheel cars?
50
cents each? Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Are you selling any bicycles? That bike? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Any lawnmowers for sale? No. Okay. Any cell phones like Apple or Samsung? Okay.
Yeah, I have boxes of phones.
Wow, look at this. Hello. Sweet. This is cool too. How much are your PS4 games?
Couple bucks.
Okay.
There was a lot. We had a ton of those yesterday. That and Xboxes and
Man,
video games and
I should have showed up.
consoles, everything.
Is there more inside the garage?
Yeah, and if you go in the house to the right, there's a couple rooms there. The stuff, thank you. The stuff by in the trunks and the plastic bins are not for sale. So,
But is there anything for sale here in the garage?
everything everything's for sale.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, nope. And you are. Hello. It's all right.
So stuff for sale like this is for sale?
Yeah. That's why it's so cheap.
Because it's only.
You gotta look for it. That's right. That's right.
What are the prices on these things over here?
Those are 40. Airsoft guns or BB guns or pellet guns, all in there. There's a couple of handhelds here. No real stuff though.
I bought a barrel in my sister.
Did you? Yeah, we're not allowed to sell guns. So. Yeah, that's airsoft.
This is airsoft.
That's a pellet gun. Sample? No. Shoots a pellet.
It's a pellet gun.
You know, shooting iguanas with.
Iguana shooting guns.
And go outside with that one and run a person go by.
Interesting.
That's another
BBs. And the air. A lot of air stuff here. Interesting stuff. Oh, how did I miss this? There you go. You won't have an iguana problem now.
No.
This is sweet.
Well, I left the house.
I should look here too.
Yeah, I think that socks.
That's pretty interesting.
Finder's fee? No? No, for him.
I like this engine too.
Oh, we have lots of wheels over here. All kinds of new wheels. You just gotta look. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There's some little wheels there. That's sold. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's sold.
Oh, look at what we have here. That is a big cocking airsoft.
We wouldn't do that. It's family member. How many wheels do you need?
That is pretty sweet. Terrible. Oh ho ho. That is an airsoft. Wow. That's something. To the side, yeah. Oh. Wish I
It is, isn't it?
went to the bank before I came here. Wow. Wow.
Wait, no, we won't.
How much are your generators?
I think he wants 3 and 4.
3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, that's a good deal. Oh, look at these motorcycle tires. Wow. How did I miss this motorcycle? Yeah, I mean, I got too many projects as it is. Alright. Oh, a couple? What? Wow. So this is a garage sale. And this is in the garage.
Mark. All right. I got a couple extra already now.
Oh, it's each 3. Oh wow, these are sweet. Well then. Oh, motorcycle shields. 2 of them. This is pretty sweet. Look at this. I love it. Look how it opens up.
Yeah, that was freaking out. We went to one up in Denver, and we were walking around the cage, like outside the cage, and so friends outside the cage.
On the air conditioning unit, or is it not that?
Well, does it work?
I don't know, is it?
I've got an outlet.
This would be sweet.
Actually, there's one right there under that fuse box. So,
How much is your chipper?
chipper sold. Let me just find out.
Third person. Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
that's what
that
happens
would
when
make
you.
it a lot easier, wouldn't it?
It's exciting.
It's a nice item, so.
Yeah, these are nice.
Couldn't blame me.
Bob just tried to cool his whole house with his air conditioner going out.
Yeah.
Are you buying that solar panel? Are you buying it?
Yeah, I already bought it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
We took out 7 dumpsters.
And there's more for sale inside.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there's a lot of little, just unopened things.
Okay. I'm gonna go in.
Not for sale.
Gosh, I could spend a week here. Look at this video camera. Wow. Oh. I mean, I could spend an easy week here. And a couple grand. I mean, I just want to buy this gas. Gas? I mean, that's like the hidden treasure. You never know what's in each one of these bags. Probably some really good stuff. Probably money's tucked away everywhere. I mean, look, every bag is like a man's bonanza. Look at this. It's chock full. It's a nice backpack. What is this? It's a shoulder bag. What? It's a shoulder bag. I mean, they're beat up, but I do need something similar to this. Oh, what is that hanging out? What is that? Oh, that's the TV antenna. I need that? I don't know. Store it under. What is this, a gas mask? What? These people are survivalists. 2 gas masks. Alright. Not terrible. Now I'm holding things. Now I'm holding things I shouldn't be holding. I need this for tennis because I can put my tennis rackets in this and carry it in a nice way. And this, I just want to. It's terrible. This is terrible. What? Look at the DVD player. What? Now this is a garage sale. What is that? And there's so much good stuff left over. Look at these keys. DVDs. Bob Seger. You definitely are survivalists here, definitely. Oh, a racing jacket. Oh, what? Daytona 500 racing jacket. What? I was just up there the other day. Oh Terrible. What's this? Oh, man. Alright. It's terrible. Look over there, too. Let's see. Oh, a skateboard? Oh my gosh. Look at this room. Oh. Oh my god. This is a dream room. Dream. All these bike parts. Quality frames. Look at this. Whoa. It's got the gear on it for the motor.
This guy had her, didn't he?
Oh, this guy. I don't know who spoiled him, whether he spoiled himself or he had a couple people spoiling him, but every toy he wanted, he got. You know, and he was a child so late in life, I'll tell you that. Look at all these motorcycle and bicycle parts. I'm like crazy already. These things cost serious money. I mean, and if you look close, it's hard to tell. He's got some serious boating accessories. These Garmins, and I mean, this is just fantastic. I told myself I could spend a week here. Look, he's got a video security system he hasn't even installed. All the parts and pieces that would cost like $400, he's got just sitting here in a big. He's got a projector too. Look at this.
What was the story on this guy?
I don't know. I mean, I wanted to come to this garage sale yesterday, but you know, there's so many garage sales out Saturday, you just can't make it to everything. And I said, this is kind of out of the way, I'm not going to make it. And then so I said, oh, I got time today. Bingo. Should have came here yesterday. I bet this thing was filled to the ceiling. I mean, if they have this much stuff left over, I'm upset I didn't come here yet. Look at this mixing board. I want to buy that too. And another Atari flashback. What is going on? Another Atari. So I want to buy those things over there. Oh, this is a nice guitar case. Oh. It's not one of those cheap guitar cases. This is obviously the music room. Look at this. This little tent. Whoa. Look at these big speakers. Amplifiers. These pedals. They cost serious money. Engine over here. I want the engine too. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's a pull start, not kick, but yeah, you take a pull starter off, but kick. Is there anything up there? Oh no, there's nothing up there. I'm back in this room now. Alright, see remote controls. Yeah, remote control cars. No, terrible. Oh, I feel like buying that right now. Look at this stuff. Is it a handheld GPS? I mean, no. Unreal. You can tell he has some really decent stuff here. Look at that little tent. Pup tent. Oh man. Terrible. No, what am I doing with this? Come on. Older technology. It's good. If you're in the woods, that little device would really be beneficial, but if you're on the roads or on areas where your cell phone can pick up reception, it's not that good. Oh my god, this little toad umbrella. Terrible. Let's see what else we got over here. Does this flashlight work? No? Okay. Doesn't work. Okay, so we're still making a little, I don't know why these gas masks over here. I need that. What is it? What is it? Oh, don't tell me. It's a magnet now. It's not a magnet. I thought it was a magnet. something. Shelving, vents, chairs. These are nice. This little. Say $5. One says 10, one says 5. $4 is good. I used to have one of these tablecloth Christmas. It's nice. Ooh, 25 cents. $6 more. Okay. Oh, this is Tower of Terror. Oh, I was on it. Oh no, it's just a Halloween Horror Nights universe. Oh, this is a nice Harley Davidson. It's pretty sweet. It's made out of wood. Nice tool bag. This is a nice tool suitcase. It's a nice bedspread. It's almost got racing flag colors on it. What is this? This is a sweet Harley Davidson looking $3. Okay. Sturgis. $3. Likely. Something to cook up. Any motorcycles for not motorcycles, any lawnmowers for sale? I was thinking about your motorcycle. Got some chemicals. Oh, got some tanning lotion. What's this? Resolve. You got a bicycle? Oh, look at that nice painting. That's a sweet one. You got luggage. Some clothes.
50 centavos.
Cook and shine. Hello. Oh, did you make these?
Yeah, my aunt does.
Wow, great. Wow, knuckles. That's interesting. So she must make these on one of those 3D printers.
No, it's resin.
Really?
Yeah.
Resin? Wow, she's fantastic. Oh, even these things?
Yeah.
She's talented. Wow. Well, I'm impressed. More clothes. Yeah. These are cool. These little weebles. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. Yeah, these are cool too.
Oh, no.
Got a weed whacker. And some things. You got some golf clubs? Nice. More golf accessories. I see golf tees. Is that catcher's mitt? Nice thermoses. Oh, it's a little concrete yard. I don't know what that is. Front door mats. Some other nice little things. Chickenware. Nice coffee table. Hello. It looks cool just by looking at these. Unfortunately, they're not on.
They're air purifiers.
Yeah. I was just at a sale. They had one looking like that, but it wasn't an actual air conditioner. So it had that little round thing in the back. You put the, you hook it up to the window. Ooh, you got some nice BMX. What do you want to call it? Were you a lifeguard? Oh. Oh, smart. Okay. Oh, for snorkeling, that'd be perfect. You put it under your arms and, oh yeah, perfect. I feel like doing snorkeling right now. Okay, we have a little It's like a water cooler, but no, it's not. It's like a little Stanley. And golf balls. Yeah. Okay, now this is a recap of the day. All right, free. First, the free stuff. I got all these bows. I needed them for my Christmas. That's free. I got this tripod. It's a different screw on, but I got this adapter too for it. Free, again, I had to take it. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I hate to see it thrown in the garbage, so I got it for free. So it's not too bad. So I got that. It's free. I got this thing for free. This is pretty cool. I'm not sure. It's like a nice fine grit sandpaper, but it's pretty awesome. I've never seen one like this before. And you probably pull lint out with this thing too. So it has more than just sandpaper. You probably pull lint. So for free, why not? Put that in my toolbox. This thing I was actually going to buy for $5 yesterday. It's a solar panel. It's a float solar panel. You probably saw it in my yesterday's video. I was really considering buying this. Stopped at the garage sale today, and it was free. So of course I'm going to grab it. You know, a float charger like this, you put it on a battery on a boat or a car, motorcycle, whatever. You know, probably a boat's the best place because you can keep that outside. And yeah, free. Why not? And then I got this. I don't even know what's in this. I got this for free. So that's the thing about garage selling, especially on Sunday. Oh, CDs. What we got in here? All right, so we got that. A lot of burned CDs, so lots going to go in the garbage. It's hard to sell music CDs anymore anyway. And you got, that. All right, but still, could be one or two things I could use here. I might be able to pull out a song or two I could use, especially for videotaping. I could get some song ideas or nice. All right, so that's all free. All right, now we'll get to the stuff I paid money for. $5. That second sale I went to today. Man, okay, I like Black Ops stuff. I love it. So I needed size 11 boots. I needed $5. I mean, look at it, the wear on it. You can see that they use it for their motorcycle. Right here's the wear. So that's on that foot. So he's kind of stepping down from the motorcycle, putting a lot of weight on that side of the foot. And this side, the same thing. The wear is on this side. So he's stepping down from the motorcycle. So obviously they're not steel toe boots, but they're not. But they don't say Harley Davidson on them. But definitely they're worn for a motorcycle. But they look good for Black Ops. So I had to get that for $5. Next thing I bought for $2, and they started this off at $10. So yeah, there is some kind of wear in here, but that's okay. This started off at $5. I got them down to $2. It's a nice bag. It's got some wear on the bottom of it, but I need something for tennis, and this has the shoulder straps to go around. It's got a little tiny compartment up here on the top too, which is kind of cool. It's got this to buckle this down with. It's kind of weird how it looks, but these buckle into that to tie it down. And it's got not many, but it's got some compartments on the side here to separate it, so I can put my tennis rackets on one side and then my water and other paraphernalia on the other side. So it's going to make a good tennis bag to bicycle to the tennis courts, because I like bicycling tennis courts so I don't get my car all hot and schmelly. So $2, that's not too bad. So we're up to $7 so far with all that stuff. And my big purchase of the day, don't ask me why, I got this Kevlar helmet for $20. $20. It's got somewhere, obviously there was some kind of like that infrared scope or sighting system on the front of that. It's not there anymore. It was there. It's got some scrapes and stuff, but you can see it's kind of Kevlar inside. Helmet, I hope it's Kevlar. Anyway, I paid $20 for it. If this is Kevlar, this could easily sell for between $200 and $300. So 10 times the money. That's what I'm looking for when I'm going for an investment. I mean, I would like to add this to my collection as it is. It looks like a tank. It looks like one of those Vietnam tank commanders helmet, but and because the straps inside here are kind of old, look like the Vietnam era straps, but this looks like a Vietnam era strap. You know, the newer Desert Storm straps are looking much nicer than it. Almost look like football chin straps, but so this could be surplus Vietnam War era. But I think it's pretty cool. So for 20 bucks, have a nice helmet. This thing's kind of heavy too. I mean, it's not metal, but I mean, you knock on wood, that thing sounds like a big coconut. It looks like a coconut on the inside. So 20 bucks, I got that. So overall, I think it did good. So spent $27 today. So amazing, it all adds up. So we'll see. You know, yeah. Worst comes to worst, I could always, if I don't like the shoes, I go sell the shoes for. You know, I get my money back, that's for sure. I might go as high as 10 if I don't like them, but I still want to try them on. I mean, they got these nice zippers on the side. Makes it easy to put on, put off, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for in a shoe, I'm looking for zippers like this. So little problem like this, obviously that got caught inside the zipper and they zipped it. That's a problem. But it's got, you know, these nice little Velcro attaches here, and I wish they had Velcro in the front here. That's the only problem. If they had Velcro in the front, this thing would have been perfect, but that's all right. Lace up front. You know, it'd be nice if it was Velcro up front, Velcro here, and a zipper, and no more laces. That'd be sweet. And a steel toe. Oh, I couldn't beat that. So yeah, I'm still looking for that, but that'll do for right now. So, but anyway, all right.